If you want to fix the issue of low volume on Android when using Bluetooth headphones speakers, first of all, let's enable our developer options. So open up your settings, scroll down to your About Phone tab. Now here we gotta find our software information tab, right? Find our build number and let's tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. Now we have to enter our PIN. Press Next. Now let's go back to our settings and scroll down to the very bottom until we'll find our developer options. Here they are. Choose this mode. And here we have to find our Disable Absolute Settings option. So let's do this. Here it is, Disable Absolute Volume option. So we have to tap on the switch and activate it. This allows our Bluetooth devices to control their volume independently on their phone. Alright, if the problem still persists, we can try to reset our Bluetooth settings. So go back into your settings. You can close your developer options for now. Now press search. We gotta search our reset. So here, find your reset network settings, open it up, and here you gotta press reset network settings once again and confirm your choice by pressing reset settings. So here you have to enter your current PIN, press next, confirm your choice, and that's it. Now it should be working properly. Here are some useful tips to improve your sound quality. Several apps can help you adjust the sound on your Android device. For example, like Wavelet is a powerful equalizer that lets you customize the audio to your liking. It supports sound profiles for many headphones and allows for fine-tuning to enhance audio quality. Another app is PowerAmp Music Player, which is not only a music player but also a tool for managing the equalizer and boosting sounds. You might also try Precise Volume, which allows for more detailed volume adjustments than standard system settings. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing on our channel.